Welcome to my 60 days AI experience vlog where I share my daily experience with the different AI tools I use to create content for my faceless channels. So today I want to make a comparison. I want us to compare Meta AI in WhatsApp and the Meta AI app. A lot of people don't actually know Meta AI as an app. I actually got to know just a few weeks ago through a video I watched on YouTube. So ever since then, I've actually been using this app more. Or if you need it, just go on Play Store, type Meta AI and download it from there. So I'm actually using my Android phone. It doesn't actually need a special phone. I'm very sure it can work on any phone that can just take it in. So I want us to compare the two because for a very long time I was using the Meta AI in WhatsApp before I discovered this. And I want to say when it comes to image generation, sometimes when I use the Meta AI app, I don't exactly get what I want. So I switch to the Meta AI in WhatsApp. It depends. But bulk of the time, I won't lie, bulk of the time I get what I want. One advantage for me advantage of using the Meta AI app over the Meta AI in WhatsApp for me is the fact that it gives you options. Four options for each prompt you put in. What do I mean? Like some of the image generation AI that I know, it gives you four options. For example, let me type in a prompt. You're going to see what it's going to give me. Elderly woman sweeping. Okay. So I just typed an elderly woman sweeping. So let me key in the prompt. So I'm waiting for it to generate now. I hope it doesn't take time because my network is a bit sluggish today. So it's waiting. You're going to wait for it. So you can see, voila, is here. So the good thing is that it gives you four images. You can see the image. Let me click on them. Look at it. This is the first image. If you don't like this, of course, you're the one that is you're creating your content. You know the visual you want. You know the exact visual that can represent whatever message you're trying to pass. So if you don't want this, you swipe to the next. If you don't like this, you swipe to the third and to the fourth. So it gives you four different options. And then let's say I'm choosing this fourth one. All I need to do is just click on this save. You can see save at the bottom. You click on save. Then saved. You find it in your gallery. That's all you need to do. Then you know another good thing. When I first started using this Meta AI app, you always have to type animate for it to animate your images. But a few days ago, I noticed there's been an upgrade. So now, if you want to animate, all you need to do is just click this play. I think, yeah, is a play icon. So you animate it by clicking here. And you know the good thing again about this app is going to animate the four. You don't need to now start animating them one after the other because you know all these AIs can be very funny. I may just choose image number 4 as my best, but since I want it animated, I want it to show that the elderly woman is sweeping, right? But you know these AIs can be funny sometimes. It's very possible now that the image I prefer, maybe after animating the image, it could show that the woman is actually throwing the broom off to the sky. I've seen things like that. I've seen something even worse where you see the image, you say, oh, this is exactly what I want. And after animating, is either the woman is now moving backward or she just threw the broom. AIs make those mistakes. So that's another thing. So, like I said, the good thing is that you can animate the four of them at once. Then, after animation, since you don't need the image, you actually want it animated, you want it to move, you want to add motion to it, you just check the one that is actually properly animated. Something you can use to represent the visual. So, a visual that can represent the message you're trying to pass. So when you've gotten it, just click on it, and at the bottom, you're going to see the save icon. Just in short, the save is written. Just press on it and you save. So it's going to be in your gallery. So whenever you want to edit your videos, you need the image, you need the video you just saved, you just go there and fetch it. So since we are trying to compare the two Meta AIs, I'm going to copy now this prompt and I'm going to input it in the WhatsApp version of the Meta AI. This same prompt, and let's see what it gives us, because there are times that I don't exactly get the visual representation I want from the app. So I take it to WhatsApp and I get it. The only disadvantage with the WhatsApp is the fact that it gives you just one image. It gives you one image at a time, unlike the app that gives you four at a time, where you can actually choose one of the four. This one will give you one at a time, and if you don't like what it has given you, you have to keep typing regenerate, regenerate. So that's just the issue with this one, you know. Unlike this one, look at it. The Meta app gives you four. Then it's even so good again that when you want to animate, there's an icon there, like a play icon. You just press on it, it animates the four. I just click on one now. The four images will be animated at once. Because AIs can be so funny. Sometimes you like the picture, but the animation will be wrong. You can see the four has been animated. Look at it. Look at it. So now I can choose one of the four videos I want. Four of them right now are in motion. So that's another advantage. You have four images, you have four images moving. You see? And all you need to do is check out the four, and there's another icon there that if you don't like it, you can click to reload. So let's go back to the WhatsApp now and type in, copy and paste this prompt. Let's see the image it gives us. Sometimes the image is actually better. For me, there are times, depending on what I want. Look at the image. The image is not actually bad. I've not even loaded, but it's clear. Look at it. This image is not bad. So now if I want this to move now, I have to go ahead and type animate. Look at it. I'm typing animate so that this image can move. Unlike the Meta AI app where I'll just click on one button and it will animate four. Look at it. I have to type. So that's another disadvantage. I think this wastes more time, especially when it's not giving you what you want. So that's the disadvantage of this over the other one. So you can see it's already animated. And this animation is also good. Yeah, the image is moving, though the broom is not moving, but the image is moving. So you can weigh the two. Sometimes one might serve, the other won't save. Just weigh the two and see what serves you at a time, depending on what you're trying to do. I have a lot of this thing that I've done, a lot of prompts I've entered. You can see this one. You can see these prompts. This prompt actually says, people praying, seniors praying, and it generated the image. Look at the image. They're actually praying. They bow their head. Then I told it to animate. And now look at the version, the animated version. Look at it. They actually bow their heads. They even close their palms together to show they are praying. For me, most times I don't go on external app to animate. This animation from Meta AI is always enough for me. Look at this. I actually said this woman is writing. Look at the image. She's actually writing in the image. You see, she held her pen to the book. Look at it. Then I said animate. And look at the animation. In the animation, she was actually scribbling. She was actually writing. It shows that she was writing. So I have a lot of them. Look at these ones. They are couples clicking glasses, doing cheers, and it actually made them show them clicking the glasses. So Meta AI animation to me is not bad because it saves me time, especially when I'm using the app where I just have to click on generate, then from generate I click on animate. I have four images to choose from. I have four videos to choose from. So you can make your choice and then think of which one is better for you. Look at it. I use it a lot and it saves me. It actually does save me. It serves me. So it's left to you to choose, it's left for you to choose what you want, which one works for you best. One might serve you today in a particular project you have today, and tomorrow it won't serve you. So that's basically it for today. I just compared Meta AI app and in WhatsApp Meta AI. So make your choice. If you don't have the app yet, just go on Play Store and download. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.